What's up?
Not much. I mean, everything's still there.
Everything's still there. Doing a little inspection after the old grass run.
Yeah. Second rip, I was ripping a little too hard and went off track. So.
Not used to those little tiny tires in the back, so.
Yeah, it's nice though it's a lot looser in the rear, so it's really nice not having to work for it as hard.
You'll get used to it.
Yeah, and I have the 235s. I mean, I'm just gonna play with, tire size.
Oh yeah, you're right. You put 2 different sizes on those. That's good.
I don't know if I'll mess with them or not today. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, my tow hook's behind the license plate, so I should probably make that readily available.
Just in case.
I've been sending it into the woods.
As you should. So I came over to inspect the damage.
I mean, I can turn the wheel if you want, and you might be able to see it.
Oh dang! You got a freaking Mustang wheel on the front.
I put them on the front because
to save your tires.
Yeah, I was worried I would come home and like lose an entire tire, and then I
Yeah.
would be really upset.
Good call. Good call. I actually was thinking about that.
I wasn't even gonna. I was gonna put the other ones on the back, but putting the 18s in the car, only one fits in the trunk, and I have to put one in the passenger seat. But the 17s both fit in the trunk, so I was like,
Okay.
yeah, because I pretty much I would put the seatbelt on it, but I pretty much have to hold it every time I make a turn in the passenger seat. So I was like,
dang.
My alignment in the back should be pretty good. So I mean, those tires work great.
Yeah. Yeah, you have another day on those at least.
Well, I mean, I lost an hour and a half of seat time, so I mean that might have made a little bit of a difference.
When did it happen?
Whenever I sent the picture, so probably like 4:30.
Oh, so you got a good amount of driving.
I know, but like it rained and a lot of people left, and then when I came in, even more people were leaving, so I could have got like a way more like seat time.
Dang. So were you doing well though the rest of the day?
Yeah, I mean I think so.
On the other, did you go to the other track?
Yeah, so after it rained, they stopped doing like that little.
Okay.
What I was doing in the morning, basically the one turn. Because the guy that was flagging it, like he didn't like that or something.
Okay.
Like he had like some safety concerns, which is understandable.
Okay.
So I did the other side, and it was like a short section. You could cut it off or do the whole thing, and dude, it was sweet.
Nice.
Like you could go the whole way, and there's like turns going both ways, like uphill turns, downhill turns, couple S turns, like real big turn. Oh, dude, it was sick.
And you felt like you were getting the feel for it?
Yeah, I mean, I was getting the hang of it. The problem after it rained is that there were wet spots and dry spots.
Okay.
And it was drying up, and then
yeah.
I would have probably made pretty good progress if I didn't wreck my tie rod. But,
yeah.
I mean, I don't know, dude. I was just sending it. I was definitely getting better, but I mean,
yeah.
I was more or less just sending it as opposed to like working on technique, which I probably should be focusing on more. But I mean, once you go out there, it's just like
yeah. I mean, you gotta
just so much fun.
Just get the feel for it. Yeah. It's this side, right?
No, it's this side. I thought it was that side.
So you didn't hurt your wheel or anything?
No.
Your front wheel?
No, I'm pretty sure it's good.
Yeah. A little bent, huh? You need a new tie rod. So you think that's all the damage is, the tie rod? Did you do any other inspecting? Inspector gadget?
I mean, I looked. It's kind of. I mean, I think tires are like designed to do that to an extent.
Yeah.
Like I think they're designed to give way.
Yeah.
So
Probably better that brake than like a hub or something.
Yeah, or like my angle kit that I spent a bunch of money on.
Well, I'm glad you made it home.
Yeah.
At least it was something that you could still drive on.
Yeah, like I was ripping it, and like I thought it was that side, so I jacked that side up and took the wheel. Cause I looked under it and I didn't see anything. I took that wheel off. I was like, oh, dude, it's fine. But like the steering wheel moved, so like I knew I messed something up. I
Yeah.
was like, oh, maybe it just shifted. Which
So you said there's bricks, not like a
Dude,
brick
it was
wall.
Weird. No, it was super weird. So, like instead of having the rumble, no, it's not a rumble strip, but like the mound on the edge of the track,
Yeah.
the bump, they had bricks. They're like square, like I don't know, 8x8 maybe, foot by foot.
Just like
Square.
flat.
Yeah, flat, square, like bricks, like something you would walk on like through your yard.
Yeah.
And they're spaced apart probably that much.
Interesting.
The whole way along the one turn, and like I saw them. I was like, oh man, I probably shouldn't really hit it. But I wasn't thinking much of it. And
Yeah.
then like, dude, I was just ripping it around because it's kind of like a turn going downhill a little bit. And dude, I would just, and like I told you, some spots are wet, some spots are dry. So
Yeah.
like you'll grip up or lose grip. And dude, I was just sending it. And then I was starting to go off track. I don't remember it happening so fast. But I don't know if I spun out because I hit the bricks or if I was already starting to spin out. I might have already been spinning out. And then like I guess it was this wheel caught in the middle of the bricks, and then it whipped me around, and then I like as soon as it caught the brick, like I knew something, and then my
Yeah.
steering wheel was crooked, and I
Dang.
knew something was messed up, so I putted it off track and found my bent tie rod.
Dang. Nice.
I've heard of people say they have extra tie rods. I think that's more for like, well, I guess anything, no matter how. But I was like,
Yeah.
even if I had one, I mean, I bent it at 430.
Yeah. I mean,
Best
if you
case
bent it at like
scenario.
9 in the morning,
Yeah,
you would
yeah.
want to replace it, but
But like best case scenario, I have it all back together. It's probably gonna be 5 club. I might be able to get one, probably not, but
yeah. How much is a tie rod?
probably not much.
Yeah.
Tie rod.
Because I mean, at least now you know, like maybe you do want to have
an extra
a spare
one,
on each side.
or just not rip it into
Yeah.
some
That
bricks.
too.
But I don't know. Man.
Should have known better.
I didn't know. Which I think they like when I was there last time. I think they said something about that like in a meeting. They were just talking about it. So I think you kind of knew.
Dang.
But I mean, you live and you learn. I guess it's all hard to find.
Nice. Nice. Well, sweet. Mustang wheels on the front. New look.
No.